You're watching these promo vlogs on youtube.com.
We just ate breakfast and I've been uploading this video since yesterday, but the Wi-Fi is so slow and I'm like so done. Today we're gonna go surfing. Meanwhile, the people in Quebec start school, which is sad for them.
It was summer 2012. Got this photo on the shelf of you and I. Our friends knew you and I would end. At the end of the month, we said we would run, but then your ride came and they took you away. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wonder, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer?
So we're done surfing. I didn't film much. But we were supposed to go to Sonic, but we found a 7-Eleven. And last time we ate at 7-Eleven was like last year in California. And in Palm Springs or Rancho Mirage. Anyway, we got pepperoni, cheese under, okay, buffalo wings, some type of wing, and potato wedges, and a bunch of sauce. And oh yeah, we also got like a bunch of like Slurpees and stuff.
Hey guys, it's Elise and we're going
Wait, no, as in you.
Hey guys, it's me and we're going to Target.
You're watching these promo vlogs on youtube.com.
Remember to comment, rate, subscribe.
There's a video here.
Thumbs up this video, 50 likes.
Comment down there.
I made another video up there.
There's a video here.
Say.
Hey guys, so right now we're heading to Target, but after we're going to the pier.
So, yeah.
And then tomorrow we're going to Disney. No, we're not.
Crack it.
The thing that I ate at.
It's kind of like,
Ooh, this is pretty.
yeah.
So we arrived at Target.
So, yeah. So we arrived at Expect More Payless.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at Expect More Pay.
In the row.
Okay.
I'm just walking around Target because I want to. Yeah. Fake.
Did you get it?
Did you? We arrived at the pier. So right now I'm about to play You Wanna Know Dale. You probably can't hear me because of the music. So I got lots of tickets, and I don't know how much this is. I'm gonna go check.
These are dimes you buy.
Whoa, why is it so zoomed in? We got this. I got this. Okay, well this is one of them, but I got two of these. I always get this every year when we go to Las Vegas and they have it here. I got a fake nail. I honestly don't know why. I got these finger trap things that like, yeah. My brother got this too late for 911. Oh wait, you can't even take it off. But basically, it's like I don't know, it's a shot glass, Daytona Beach, Florida, and then there's like a bear. Whatever this is too. We got a bunch of these, like those popper things that you like do that and then like it pops. My sister got a keychain. My mom got a turtle with a sombrero. So we just went to 7-Eleven and I just got the largest size possible for a Slurpee because I love Slurpees, and barbecue chips. I forgot to end the video, so yeah, good night.